This call is now being recorded.
So your voice is breaking at times, and the screen is gone.
Sir has sir has left.
Sir has left, no? Sir. सर तो वही आ गया अच्छी रिकॉर्डिंग बंद हो शुक्र ले अब बंद कर दो हेलो अब बंद कर दो किसी को
Yes, sir.
हम सर आवे न काटो some problem is there शुक्र
Yes.
I think I'll stop the recording. ये मामा से फोन तो कर Mama sir has joined in. Sir,
Yes, I joined here right now.
okay, okay.
Okay, girls, are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Draw line AB, take a point C outside it. That means we have to draw line AB and we have to take point C outside it. That's what sir has done over here. Now from point C, through point C, we have to draw a parallel
sir.
line to AB. A AB line segment છે and a parallel line કરવાની છે. Is that clear? So what we have to do, we will take anywhere one point name, for example, let us name D. Okay. Now what we will do first, we will just join this point
your
C
voice
and
is
point D
cutting.
here. Ruby ma'am, are you getting my voice properly now?
Yes, yes, I'm getting your voice.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay, so from point D, we have to use our compass and scale. Is that clear? Girls, open a rounder, open your rounder with the random measurement and draw an arc. By taking center point D, draw an arc in such a way that it cuts line segment CD and its intersect to line segment AB. समझ पड़ी गई क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં? શું કર્યું?
Yes.
Give this intersecting point name as E and this intersecting point name as F. Okay? સમજાય છે? Now with the same measurement from year to year, જે આપણે R draw કર્યો, in the same manner, taking center point C, draw an arc in the same manner which cross DE and give this intersecting name as point O, for example. Okay? And this point as S and this point as T. Now what you have to do, now you have to open rounder and pencil up till point E and point F. You have to measure pointer ne E upar rakhwano, open your pencil up till point F. Once you get that, you have to take same manner point C as a pointer point and draw an arc over here like this. Sorry. આવી રીતે આર્ક ડ્રો કરવાનો છે. અંડરસ્ટુડ? ફ્રોમ પોઈન્ટ O, you have to draw an arc here in such a way that that arc should intersect arc TS. TS arc છે ને એને intersect થતો arc હોય. Understood or not? And give this intersecting point name as L, for example, L. Now join this L and C. And after joining this, you can drag ahead of this and you can drag from here to here. સમજાય છે કે નહીં? So now this is, we can give name as line. કયું નામ નથી આવ્યું? Line M. ચલો, line M. So line segment AB, line segment AB ની parallel line કઈ થઈ? Line M. So line M is parallel to lines AB. Is that clear?
Yes,
Girls, this is what we have to do. And with the help of this concept, we have to write the statement. Simply write down the statements. 4 થી 5 statement માં sum પૂરો થઈ જવો જોઈએ. See, answer number 1 I wrote here. Line segment AB I took. Okay. Then what I did, I took
sir.
C away from line segment AB, which is given in the question. Okay. Then taking point P on line AB, joining P and C here, then opening rounder and pencil with the random measurement and draw an arc in such a way that it gets cut line segment CP and line segment AB at point D and E. બરાબર છે? With the same measurement, અહીંયાથી પૈતા પછી point C ઉપર જઈએ છે. With the same measurement, we will draw an arc here with the same measurement and we will give the name of the arc as, અહીંયા જેમ DE આપ્યું એમ અહીંયા શું આપ્યું? FG. Understood? And intersecting point given name as H. Okay. Now open rounder and pencil from D to E with the new measurement. With the same measurement, taking point H, draw an arc over here on the other arc what is drawn as an intersecting arc. Give the point over here name as I. Now join point I and C. You will get parallel line L to line segment AB. Is that clear? હવે જે ડ્રો કરીએ છે, જે વસ્તુ આપણે ડ્રો કરીએ છે એ જ વસ્તુ આપણે સ્ટેટમેન્ટમાં લખવાની છે. કોઈ નવી વસ્તુ લખવાની નથી. Statement should be in your own words, not ratta maring. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
See, what we did first, taking line segment AB and point P on it. We took line segment AB and point P on it, taking point C outside line segment AB and join C and P. Pelo statement શું કર્યું આપણે? We took this line segment, point C away from it, point P on it, and we have joined the line segment. That's it. Then second, what we did, taking P as a center point, draw an arc in such a way that it's intersect line segment AB at point E, AB upar point E intersect kero, and PC, line segment PC at point D. That is what it is written here. દેખાય છે? સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં ગર્લ્સ? હલો હલો,
Yes, sir. समझ पड़े sir.
જવાબ આપો જલ્દી, મને ખબર પડે તો આગળ વધવાની.
हाँ sir, समझ
Then
पड़े.
third point, taking C with the same measurement from here, we will take a center point C over here and we will draw the same arc like this as we did over here in the below diagram. So taking center point C as a center, draw an arc with the same radius or measurement we can say in such a way that it intersect line segment PC. PC ne intersect thatu hoy at point H. We have drawn. Okay. Now taking measure between D and E. taking measure between D and E. E rounder ખોલવાનું છે, rounder and pencil. New measurement. Okay? With the same measure, with the center point H, draw an arc on another arc in such a way that it intersect each other at point I. See, taking measure between D and E with the center point H, draw an arc in such a way that it intersect the other arc FG. બીજું arc કયું હતું? FG at point I. બરાબર છે? એટલે શું કર્યું? Join point I and C and draw line L. Join point I and C and draw line L. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Therefore, line L is parallel to line segment AB. Anybody has any doubt with sum number 1?
No, sir. No doubt.
Their conclusion is therefore line L is parallel to line segment AB. All right?
Yes, sir.
I will explain you the diagram. All the things in writing you have to do by your own. બધા diagram હું explain કરી દઈશ. Is that clear, girls? જે બોલાય છે, જે આપણે draw કરીએ છે, એ જ લખવાનું છે. There is nothing new in this. Okay, girls?
Okay, sir.
Okay, ચલો. Question number 2. આપણે જો આમાં શું હશે કે એક સ્ટેપ ને એક સ્ટેપમાં ડાયાગ્રામ ડ્રો કરેલા છે. We do not have to do like that. We have to do only the things what Mohammad sir has shown you right now. જે હમણાં બતાવ્યું હતું, એક સાઈડ ડાયાગ્રામ અને એક સાઈડ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ્સ. Understood?
Okay, sir.
One diagram and all the statements together. This one diagram, તો અહીંયા બધા statements લખવાના. And statements should not be more than 4 to 5 statements. 4 થી 5 statements માં જ બધું લખી નાખવાનું છે. Composition લખવાના નથી. Let me clear you. Is that clear, girls?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Next question. Who will read the next question? Wait a moment, huh? Question number 2.
Can I read, sir?
Yes, beta, read.
Draw a line
L.
L. Draw a perpendicular to L at a point on L on
Any L.
this
On L, sorry, yes.
on this perpendicular. Choose point X 4 centimeter away from L.
L.
Through X draw. Through
Line
X
M
draw a
parallel
line.
to L. Okay, what we have to do is, we have to draw first of all line L. This is line L, for example. Okay? This is line L. From line L, we have to take any point on L. We have to take any point. If we take any point here, for example, A. Okay? We have to take any point on L and we have to draw a perpendicular line. We have to draw a perpendicular line means what? Forming 90 degree. A line forming 90 degree. Understood? સમજાય છે કે નહીં? સમજ પડે છે?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On this perpendicular, choose point X. We know we have given point X, choose કરવાનો છે. 4 centimeter away from L. So L થી 4 centimeter away. So 4 centimeter, for example, with rounder and pencil and compass by measuring, if for example this is the intersecting point, this is the rough diagram I am showing here. X will be intersecting, this distance will be of 4 centimeter. સમજાય છે? This distance will be of 4 centimeter. And from point X, we have to draw a parallel line of line L. Is that clear? What we have to do? Through point X, draw a parallel line L. Understood the rough diagram, what we have to do here?
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt with this?
No.
Sure na bachcha party?
Yes.
Okay, chalo, let us go ahead. in the answer column. I will show you in this how to draw this. First step, we will take line segment L, that is line L. Line L લઈ લીધું. Okay. Now we will take anywhere, any point, ગમે ત્યાં લઈ શકાય. અહીંયા ગમે ત્યાં કોઈ પણ એક point લઈ લેવાનું. If for example we took here as point A, ચલો બરાબર, point A લીધો. So from point A we have to construct a perpendicular line. How can we construct a perpendicular line? How can we construct a perpendicular line? આપણે થોડુંક અહીંયા લઈ લો છો point A. Open your rounder and pencil and take a center point A, open rounder and pencil with the random measurement and draw an arc from here like this. It should be like this, cutting line L on both the sides. Okay? समझाणु क्या नहीं?
Yes,
Perpendicular line means what? Forming 90-degree line. So 90-degree line form करवा माटे we have to take 180 degree. Understood or not?
Yes.
समझाई छे?
Yes.
To take with the same measurement what you took from here, point A, you with the same measurement you will draw an arc here, one, and second arc over here, from this arc to this arc. So this will be the distance of 60 degree each, which covers your 180 degree. Now taking point, intersecting point from here, at this point, open rounder and pencil with the new measurement, draw an arc over here. Motto arc draw kari nakhwanu. From this point with the same measurement, open an arc here, like this. So this point intersecting is your perpendicular line to point A. Very 90 degree, it's point A. Over your black color. Huh? Now what is the content we have to do? Slight and arm level person. See, my diagram will be not accurate because I'm drawing without measurement, but when you draw, your measurement will be always accurate, okay? Because you are drawing this as a perfect measurement. समझ पड़ी? શું કર્યું કે ના સમજ પડી? Girls, are you getting my point or not?
Yes.
Now this is not our point what we have to take. Point X નથી આ આપણો. No, this is wrong. This is not our point X. Point X should be 4 centimeter away. What is written in the question? 4 centimeter away from the line L. So line L thi 4 centimeter away. So take your pencil and measure it. Pencil and rounder, measure it. A scale છે for example તમારી, બરાબર? અહીંયાથી 0 start થાય છે તો 0 અહીંયા આવી રીતે આ scale ના measurement હશે for example. So you have to measure up till 4 centimeter. 1.0 એ રાખવાનો અને 1.4 ઉપર આ લાવવો જોવે. Pencil and rounder નો. Now from taking center point A, draw an arc like this. Draw an arc here like this. Got it? આવી રીતનો arc થશે. Now this point name has to be given as point. શું નામ આપવાનું છે? Point X. So this distance will be for 4 centimeter. કેટલું distance આવશે? કેટલું distance આવશે girls? Hello? હું yes sir કરો છો. કાક પૂછું છું હું.
4 centimeter.
4 centimeter. Yes, exactly. It will be 4 centimeter because we already measured. Now our sum is not over yet. Through x, after point x આવી ગયો, through x we have to draw line M as our parallel line to L. It is written in the question. So now, perpendicular line means, can I say that this is a right angle forming on both the sides? Can I?
Yes.
So from point X, how can we go through with this? Again, open rounder and pencil with the random measurement and draw an arc from point X. આપણે X ઉપરથી X ને center point લઈને એક arc draw કરશું. Like this. મોટું લઈ લેવાનું થોડું. Still little bit bigger. Which intersect this both the lines. સમજાણું શું કર્યું સરે?
Yes.
समझ पड़ी के ना पड़ी? Taking center point X, we have taken arc on point X. So this intersecting point you are getting here, right here and over here. समझाई छे? And from here 60 degree will be around here with the same measurement. કોઈ નવું મેઝરમેન્ટ લઈને આર્ક નથી કરવાના. પછી અહીંયાથી તમે બીજો આર્ક કરો તો it will be over here like this. From this point if you measure here it will be 60 degree over here. So total 3 ભાગમાં 180 degree cover થાય. Understood? So taking center point, હવે શું કરવાનું? હવે point ને we have to take this point into grant. Open rounder and pencil with somewhat bigger measurement. From here you will draw one arc like this. As we did અહીંયા, આપણા અહીંયા કર્યું ને, આપણા આ વસ્તુ જે કરી ને એ જ વસ્તુ અહીંયા કરવાની છે. Taking point here into grant and we will draw arc on the top. Taking this point into grant and we will draw arc on the next end. So this point, what you are getting, will be the intersecting point forming 90 degree to the X. And this will be forming your 90 degree to point X. Is it forming 90 degree to point X? Now, can we say that this is the alternate interior angles which will be equal? Because this will be also 90 degree and this will be also 90 degree. So can I draw this line as our line segment parallel to line L by dragging it to the other end, and I can give the name M. Anybody has any doubt with this?
No.
समझ पड़ी क्या ना पड़ी?
समझ पड़ी.
Girls, only one girl is telling me that समझ पड़ी.
Yes. समझ पड़ी. समझ पड़ी. Sir, I didn't understand it.
Okay, look here. If you don't understand, look here. There is nothing new in this. The steps of constructions are as follows. Draw a line and take point P on line L. Then draw a perpendicular at point P. So, જે લખેલું હશે એ જ કરેલું હશે. Take line L here, point P on it, and perpendicular to point P. That is, we constructed this 180 degree line and we have constructed this line at point P. Now, there is one more method. If you do not want to go with this arc, આ બે arc ન કરવા હોય તો શું કરવાનું? તો શું કરવાનું? Directly you can take from this point and draw an arc on the top. Open the bigger measurement and draw an arc on the top. Take this point with the same measure and draw an arc on the other top. So આ જે બે point arc લીધા ને એ લેવા ના પડે બંને side. Are you getting? Are you getting my point? See,
Yes,
if this is a line segment, if this is a line segment, if you draw an arc like this at point P here, barabar che? So this point and this point is the intersecting point what you got. Now open the bigger measurement and draw an arc on the top from this point and draw an arc on the top for this point. So this is the intersecting point what you got. This is also will be covering your 90 degree. समझ पड़े छे के नहीं?
Yes, sir. समझ पड़े छे.
Are you getting?
Yes.
So આપણે જે ઓલા બે આર્ક લીધા ને એ અગર ન કરવા હોય તો ઇટ્સ ઓકે. આ જે મેઝરમેન્ટ થી જે આર્ક અહીંયાથી આ કર્યું, આ પોઈન્ટ થી અહીંયા આર્ક કર્યો, that is okay if you don't go. અને પછી અહીંયાથી આપણે 90 ડિગ્રી લીધું. both are one at the same. ગમે તે કરો, both are connected and both are one at the same. સમજ પડી ગઈ girls?
Yes.
So what is draw a line and take point P on line L and draw perpendicular to at point P. So we have drawn here perpendicular line. Now adjusting the compass up to the length of 4 centimeter. Compass means what? Rounder and pencil with the scale. Scale ma apne adjust kiru 4 centimeter. Draw an arc to intersecting this perpendicular line. So what we have drawn. આ બધું કરવાનું થાતું નથી. Let me clear you. We will take point P and draw an arc at point on line segment P. Understood? So by drawing arc, we will take this measurement as 4 centimeter. Is that all clear? And that
Yes,
point
sir.
will be choose as what? It is given here. So we cannot take any other name. Perpendicular at point X. We have to give the name as point X. Is that clear? Is that clear,
Yes, sir.
girls? Then what was the next topic we did? આ લોકોએ triangle ને એવું બધું કરેલું છે. We will not follow this method. We will directly go. Now, yes or no? Girls, from point X, we have to draw a parallel line.
Yes,
So
sir.
at point X, we will again draw an arc with the random measurement of 180 degree. From point here, open rounder and pencil and draw an arc here directly. From point this, you can draw an arc like this. This intersecting point and this point we can, if you want, you can give the name as, chalo L છે ને, આપણે X, અહીંયા Y આપી દો. This intersecting point name as Y here. So Y and X ને join કરો. By joining X and Y, is it forming 90 degree? And this is also forming 90
Yes.
degree here. So alternate interior angles જેનું હોય equal હોય. When alternate interior angles are equal, can we form a parallel line? So X and Y, after joining here, we can drag this line towards ahead and we can give the name as M here. Understood? Last statement lakhwano, join
Yes, sir.
point X and Y and drag to line M. So line L is parallel to line M. Therefore, line L is parallel to line M through point X. કેના ઉપરથી બનાવી? Through
Point X.
point X. Is that clear?
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt now?
No, sir.
No.
Sarah कहीं गई? Sarah? Sarah, have you cleared beta?
She's
નથી,
not.
કहीं ગઈ? એને doubt હતો ને? ચલો, question number 3. Just understand the diagram. Huh? Nothing to go through with all this. Steps તો આપણા હાથે જ લખવાના છે. ચલો, question number 3. Read this question.
Sir, can I read?
Yes.
Question number 3. Let L be a line and a P be a point not on L. Through P, draw a
Wait,
line
one by one
M.
જોઈએ. ચલો, one by one જોઈએ. Let line L. આપણે રફ ડાયાગ્રામ બનાવી નાખ્યો અહીંયા તમને સમજવા માટે. ઓકે, આ લાઈન L થઈ ગયું. ચલો લાઈન L, સોરી, ઇટ ઇઝ લાઈન L. બરાબર છે કે નહીં?
Yes.
Okay. Now what they told, what they are saying, let L be line and P be a point not on line. So P ગમે ત્યાં આપણે લેવાનો આવશે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ અહીંયા લીધો, ચલો પોઈન્ટ P હજી નીચે લઈ લઉં થોડોક, otherwise it will create a problem. ચલો પોઈન્ટ P લઈ લીધો અહીંયા. Then what you have to do, ચલો through point P draw a line M parallel to L. એટલે પેલો સમ કર્યો એવો જ છે સમ અહીંયા સુધીનો. અહીંયા સુધીનો શું છે સમ? From P we have to draw a line parallel to L. કઈ લાઈન બનાવવાની છે? લાઈન M. બરાબર છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
સમજાણું? This is the rough diagram I am showing. હજી હું તમને બતાવીશ ડાયાગ્રામ કરીને. This is point P, this is line M we have to draw. કેવી રીતે draw થાય? કેવી રીતે draw થાય? That is what we have to show here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Point P લીધો. ચલો now હવે શું કરવાનું છે? Join P to any point Q on line L. ચલો we have to take any. હવે આમાં બે મેથડ છે. એક તમે પેરેલલ લાઈન ને આપણે ટ્રેક કરવા માટે અહીંયા ગમે તે નામ તો આપવું પડશે એક આ બેને જોઈન કરવા માટે, this and this point. So તમે આને પણ નામ આપી શકો Q, or you can take point Q differently also like this over here. ભાઈ ડિફરન્ટ લેવા કરતા આને ને આને point Q નામ આપી દેવાય ખરી. Is that clear? Because from P we have to prepare a parallel line. Are you getting my point, girls?
Yes, sir.
Now join P and Q on line L. એટલે અહીંયા સુધી આપણો sum number 1 થશે. Sum number 1 જે આપણે કર્યો ને, L is given, P is outside the line L, and taking Q on point line L, we will take a measurement randomly and we will draw an arc here like this, and from point P we will draw an arc like this here. બરાબર? Give intersecting point name. જે આપવા હોય તમને. Then what we will do? We will open rounder and pencil with this measurement. આ measurement ને open કરવાનું છે rounder and pencil. બરાબર? This measurement, with the help of the same measurement, we have to draw an arc here. સમજાય છે કે નથી સમજાતું? Like this. You have to draw arc. આ ગ્રે કલરની લાઈન કરવાની નથી હો તમને. ગ્રે કલરની લાઈન only it is for your understanding. By this intersecting point we can draw a line segment parallel line as line M. Here can we say that line M is parallel? સરનું drawing વધારે પૂરતું સારું નથી. So line M and L is parallel now. હવે this was the first question what we solved. Now હવે અહીંયાથી બીજું કંઈક ટ્વિસ્ટ આવે છે. choose any other point R on M. શું કહેવા માંગે છે? on M. હવે M તો મળી ગઈ લાઈન આપણે. we have to choose any point M એટલે કોઈ પણ જગ્યાએ point M લેવાનો છે. anywhere we will take point M. Are you getting? Sorry, point R.
Yes, sir.
R, sorry, બચ્ચા પાટી. We have to take point R on M. So M ઉપર R લઈ લીધો. Through R, draw a line parallel to PQ. We have to draw a parallel line. PQ ની જે લાઈન છે એવી parallel line R ઉપરથી બીજી બનાવવાની છે. સમજ પડે છે કે નથી પડતી?
પડે છે.
Through point R, draw a line parallel to PQ. PQ જે લાઈન છે એવી રીતની R ઉપરથી બીજી parallel line બનાવવાની છે. Let this meet L at S. એટલે આ જે point મળશે એ S ઉપર મળશે. સમજાણું? Now last what we have to answer, what shape do you said? a parallel line encloses. આપણે કયો શેપ મળે છે એ એક ખાલી આન્સર આપવાનો છે. Now can I say by taking point P, can I say this arc was interior angle equal to this arc?
Yes.
હવે આ જાણે કે બે પેરેલલ લાઈન છે. હવે અહીંયા સમજવા જેવું છે. Can I say that this is a transversal line to this parallel? Now according to this, if this angle will be equal to this angle, sorry, not this one, I'm so sorry, this one, these two angles will be corresponding angles which is equal. These two are interior alternate angles, yes or no? આ બે angle કયા કહેવાય?
Yes.
Alternate interior angles. And this line is transversal to the two parallel lines. Yes? So in the same way, આપણે horizontally લઈએ, sorry, vertically લઈએ, these two lines are parallel. For example, this is PQ and this is RS. And this one is transversal. So this angle will be equal to the other angle as a corresponding angles. If I take a center point P and if I draw an arc here, taking this measurement, open rounder and pencil, draw an arc over here like this. Now, from this intersecting point to this, we have to measure this point. આ point measure કરવાનો છે. આ point થી આ point લઈને જે measure થાય, from this point, we have to draw an arc over here like this. Now you got this one, this point. Now join this line. આ થોડુંક આડું હશે સરનું થોડુંક આડું હશે. This is the intersecting point. આપણે આને લઈ લઈએ. Wait a moment. તમારું બધું મેઝરમેન્ટ થી આવશે બચ્ચા પાર્ટી. This is the arc what you have drawn here like this. And from this point you have drawn arc like this. This one. So this intersecting point what you got, this point what you got, you will join line, point this and point R on it, and you will drag the line crossing and touching to line L, which you will give the name as S. So PQRS are the diagram forming here. Which is the diagram you are seeing here? What kind of things you are seeing here? Can we say 4 lines? That means quadrilateral.
Yes, sir.
And 2 opposite lines are equal. These 2 lines are equal to these 2, and these 2 parallel to these 2. So 2 opposite lines are parallel to each other. So can I give the name as parallelogram?
Yes.
Can I name this as parallelogram?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Any doubt with this diagram?
No, sir.
We will continue this question number 3 again. I'll explain you in our next lecture. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Chalo, have a nice time. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir, and have a nice day. Bye, Didi ma'am.